Y'all, I've been craving a chicken salad, so let's make it. In the bowl, I have some shredded cabbage, romaine lettuce, and some Parmesan cheese, and some bread crumblings. Then I have some pickles, peppers, avocado, white onions, beets, tomatoes, and crispy onions. We're gonna just add all that in real quick. Them glasses had to come off. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This whole chicken came from Publix and it only cost me $7. Saving coins. I'm just going to add a few pieces on the top. And then that's it. So I have some balsamic vinaigrette. Spread that on top real quick. Then of course we have some ranch. And then my favorite, Olive Garden dressing. It's never too much. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to dive in. This looks so good. I'm about to give me a spoon. Like, got me a little bit of everything. Make sure salad dressings, I'm trying to tell you. I cannot make this up. This is good.